August has keys.
Wow.
What are you going to do with those keys? What are you going to do with those keys, huh? Can you smile? Chubby cheeks. Can you smile? Can you smile, chubby cheeks? Yeah, it's almost a smile. Chubby cheeks. Yeah.
There we go.
It's a half smile. You're kind of grumpy right now. Let me see your keys, huh? Let me see your keys. Let me see those keys. Yeah? Wow, those are some fun keys. Which color do you like best? The orange one? No, the red one? Oh. Wow. Are you having a good day today? Are you having fun playing with your keys? Yeah? You can thank Grandpa and Grandma Shelton for those keys. Yeah, they're fun. They're one of your first toys that you played with. Yeah.